Hey everybody, I hope you are having a fantastic day. In a previous mailbag video, the YouTuber from Canada, SimpleElectronics, sent me a care package. And inside that package was a few items, but one of them was a stepper motor. And he challenged me to build something fun and creative with that stepper motor. And I have this long history of torturing my students with random wheels, and so I decided that the rigged O-Fortune would be the way to go. Now, at this point, there's nothing rigged about this thing. I can push it over and over again and I will get random results. But this wheel has a trick up its sleeve, and it involves this 433 megahertz keychain, which means that I can push this and push this in my pocket, and the wheel will go around just as it did before, and it will look random just as it did before. But when it comes to a stop, you'd say round and around, nobody knows, but I know it's going to stop at bankrupt. And so I can secretly bankrupt all my opponents with my little hidden keychain and have fun with the Wheel O rigged. And so how does it work? It has, I kept this little open, this is the old power brick from my Roomba. But there is a button in here, and we've got two USB cords coming in. One is to power the stepper motor driver board, and then the other one is for the Arduino Nano. And then we have the little 433 megahertz receiver in here. Now, one of the things, just for the fun of it, I didn't snap this on because once this thing is snapped on, it's pretty tight. But just for the fun of it, I actually drilled a hole in the end of this board and ran all the wires inside the board itself. So let's take a look at the wheel, and you'll get a lot better idea what I'm talking about. So if I take this off and take this off, this is a leftover part from my 3D printer. Spin the little Allen wrench pointer out of the way. You can see that we have the stepper motor with the wires running actually through the middle of the 2x6, and then we have this Hall effect sensor that was routed out in here. I originally had a lot bigger sensor in here, but I replaced it with a smaller one. And then the wheel has a little bit of a magnet on the bottom. And one of the things that's cool about that is that the wheels can be replaced. Like, for instance, you can have a, hey, what do you want to do tonight, honey, wheel. And so yeah, it's a very versatile device. So all you have to do is fire up the what do you want to do tonight, honey, wheel, and your plans are set. So don't say I never gave you anything, nerds. Have a great day. The code's in the description.